your multiplication shortcut trick. Okay, in the trick two methods are there. Which methods are that one? Once you can observe here. Now starting I am taking 2 by 2 numbers. Okay, 2 by 2 numbers. Now you should observe here the first one here. It is the formula. Here it is your first method I am taking. Here this one, next this one into this one, next this one into this one. Okay, now I am taking your first method, this one into this one, next this one into this one, plus this one into this one, next this one into this one. How you are doing this 2 by 2 numbers multiplication with the help of this method? You can observe here. The first one is 13 into 12 is equal to how much? 13 into 12 is equal to how much? I am taking here 13, next I am taking 12 here, in between two numbers I am taking multiplication. That time what you will get? This one into this one, this one into this one you are taking here, this one into this one is there. That's why 3 to the 6 only. Next this one into this one, this one into this one is equal, that is 2. Next this one into this one is equal, that is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next this one into this one is equal, that is 1 only. Once you can take here, y I am taking addition of 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3s are 3. Here this one into this one, next this one into this one, this number into this one, next this one number into this one. Here when you are taking these two lines, that time these two lines are intersecting at a point here only. That's why if these lines are intersecting, that time compulsory you should take addition only. Now here this one into this one plus this one into this one. After that this one into this one I am taking. That time your answer will be 156 only. Now second one I am taking. What is that one? Here 25 into 26 is equal to how much? 25 into 26 is equal to how much? You can observe here 25 next to 26. Here you can take multiplication. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. This one into this one. 6 5s are 30. That's why I am taking 0 here. 3 I am taking carry. Next 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Plus here plus 6 2s are 12 plus 2 5s are 10. 12 plus 10 is equal, that is 22 plus this 3 is, that is 25. Here you can take 5 here. You can take carry 2. Now 2 2s are 4 only. 4 plus 2 is equal, that is 6 only. Now I am using this method only. First I am taking this one into this one. After that this one into this one plus this one into this one. After this one into this one I am taking. Now I am taking your third problem. The third problem is 15 into 65. 15 into 65. How you are dealing this problem? Once you can observe here, same method you should follow. Now 15, next 65. Okay, here you can take multiplication symbol. Now you can observe here, this one into this one, this one into this one is equal, that is 25. 5 can take, 2 carry you can take here. Next this one into this, next this one into this. Here this one into this one is equal, that is 5 only. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 5 is equal, that is 35 plus this 2, that is 37. 7 you can take here. Next 3 carry you can take. 1 6 are 6 plus 3. 1 6 are 6 plus 3 is equal, that is 9 only. That is 975. Okay. Now I am taking your fourth one. Your fourth one is here 35 into 37 is equal to how much? 35 into 37 is equal to how much? You can observe here 5 7s are 35 only. That's why I am taking 5 here, 3 I am taking carry here. Next 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 plus here this cross values are intersecting at a point. 7 3s are 21 plus 5 3s are 15. 21 plus 15 is 36. 36 plus 3 is, that is 39 only. Just I am taking 9 here. Once again taking here 3. Next 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 3 is equal, that is 12. 12 95. 12 95. Here once again I will explain this one. Here if any 2 by 2 numbers are there, here 2 numbers are there, here 2 numbers are there, that time should follow this method only. First I am taking this one into this one, next this one into this one plus this one into this one, after that this one into this one. Now here also same, this one into this one plus this one into this one plus this one into this one, next this one into this one. Next here I am taking this one into this one, next this one into this one plus this one into this one, plus here this one into this one only. Okay, now here this plus means here whatever carry is there, that value you can take in that. Okay, now just I am taking another method. What is that method? Once you can observe, your second method in multiplication. Okay, what is the trick? Once you can observe here. Now your second method is that, the second method is here 12 into 13 is equal to how much? 12 into 13 is equal to how much? I am taking 1 and 2, that is 12. Here instead of this one I am taking 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means that is 12 only. Here 13 is there. For this one 1 and 3 I am taking. Okay, 1 and 3 I am taking. Here these and these lines are intersecting at 6 points. Okay, here 6 points are there. Here 1 2 3, here 1 2, here 5 points are there, here only 1 point is there. Now you can take, it is your ones digit, next here it is your tens digit, here it is your hundreds digit. Okay, hundreds digits, your hundreds digits, ones digits, tens digits and 100 digits. Here ones digits, in your ones digits how many points are there? 6 points are there. In your tens digits how many points are there? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 points are there. In your hundreds digits how many points are there? Only 1 point is there. That's why your 12 into 13 is equal to 156 only. It is your first problem. Now you can observe just your second problem. Okay, what is that one? Now I am taking here 13 into 13. Okay, 13 into 13 is equal to how much? You should observe here. Now you are taking 1, next 1 2 3, here 1, here 3 ones are there, 1 2 3. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, total here 9 points are there. That's why I am taking 9 only. 1 2 3 4 5 6, here total 6 points are there. Okay, here total 6 points are there. That's why I am taking here 6. Now here only 1 point is there. That's why I am taking here 1 only. Total your answer is 169. 169. Okay viewers, if any problems are there in 2 by 2 way, you should follow like these methods. Okay, it is your line method. It is your line method. Here you can take one line like this. Instead of this 12 I am taking one line, next 2 lines I am taking. Here instead of 13 I am taking here 1 line and 3 lines here. Instead of 13 and 13, 1 line and 3 lines I am taking. Here 1 line, here 3 lines I am taking, like that only. If any 17 is there and 16 is there, means you should take 1 line and 7 lines and 1 line and 16 lines, like that only. Okay, here you can take first tens digit value, here you can take ones digit value. Here tens digit value, here you can take ones digit value. With the help of this method, you will get easy multiplication answers. I think you understood this one. Thank you viewers. Thank you.